If you're looking for a multi-generational home to stay that could fit more family members, or planning ahead for future family expansion, or if you're tired of being surrounded by the city's hustle and bustle, or already have a house and you're looking for inspiration to design your home, this is the episode for you. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seats. Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be sharing with you the most luxurious, modern and practical bungalow
that is designed by Gamuda Cove Wetlands Estate.
This private enclave consists of 57 exclusive luxury waterfront bungalows that share their very own clubhouse. The architecture is designed by DCA architects. Not to mention, the entire landscape surrounding the Waterlily Wetlands Estate is designed by Saxon architects. Imagine staying in a private residence designed by award-winning legacies. Looking at the largest unit of the Waterlily floor plans, the Type B2 layout has an interesting spatial choreography. As you enter the unit, a larger than usual entrance foyer greets your arrival. With a statement of moss artwork as a feature wall and a functional seating area framed with ample shoes and storage cabinets at both sides. If space permits, it is always better to have a spacious foyer as you enter the property. It sets the first and last impression of the memory of the home when you arrive and when you leave the property. Unlike most properties where you enter directly to the living area, the Waterlily floor plans emphasize the inspiring journey of entering your home through a green-centric experience. A long corridor that showcases the unique selling point of the development, which is its Biophilic township, creates a short introduction of what it feels like walking through a garden before entering the heart of the home. At the end of the corridor, the large open floor plan sits the living, dining and dry kitchen with an astounding panoramic view that oversees the water canal garden in the backyard. The Waterlily homes are designed to complement their surroundings. The living area extends out to a large backyard that connects directly to the canal lake at the rear of the property. Additional to that, in the center courtyard, a contemporary design tea pavilion allows you to create the perfect recreational and entertainment space for your family and friends. In Asia, it is common to have a separate wet and dry kitchen, and the space planning of the Waterlily home fits a spacious, functional kitchen. The wet kitchen is tucked away from the open floor plans of the general living area, with a U-shaped countertop kitchen layout that optimizes for cooking and a separate stretch of washing and preparation counter on the opposite side. Just when you thought the wet kitchen is just that, a fairly sized laundry area that is connected to a maid's room and an additional bathroom is obscured at the side of the property. It is important that the dry and wet kitchen are located beside one another for fluent workflow. The dry kitchen is sometimes labeled as a showcase kitchen. But for those who do like cooking and baking, the kitchen island could come in handy. But in terms of space planning, the dry kitchen is a comfortable space for quick fix for breakfast. a convenient preparation top for parents who require to cook and oversee their children, and more importantly, an extended seating area to cater for more guests when family and friends visit. Stepping onto the first floor of this unit, there's a total of 4 bedrooms that are en-suites. 2 comfortably sized bedrooms that face the front of the facade, with 1 that has a stretch of balcony.
The carpentry works in this project has tons of enhancement that pushes the boundaries of craftsmanship, bringing carpentry design to a more interesting approach. Curved carpentry works with gold stainless steel inlays. These intricate details requires talented craftsmen. The kids' room is a space worth mentioning. The bedroom showcases creativity with the balance of practicality. A design that captivates the young hearts with its vibrant color scheme and jolly atmosphere. This design creates an optimum space planning. Creating a bunk bed on the top and a study or play area beneath is a clever play of space planning. Optimizing the steps to the bunk bed as storage cabinets is indeed a brilliant idea too.
The family hall could be the perfect hobby space during the day and a cozy space to listen to some music. A tastefully designed family area is enlightened with a large floor-to-ceiling window opening that looks out to the serene view of the Biophilic landscape. The highlight of this property has to be this master bedroom. Spaciously planned out, taking the entire stretch of the width of the property, this master bedroom accommodates a grand king-size bed, a cozy lounge corner, a large balcony that stretches across the bedroom, a large walk-in wardrobe that fits an accessory island cabinet, and lastly, the opulent master bathroom that comes with a his and hers vanity basin and a standalone bathtub that enjoys the staggering view of the outdoors. One floor that has 4 spacious bedrooms. Is that sufficient for you? In the event the family grows any bigger and more rooms are needed, the family hall could be converted into an extra room or even a work studio by adding sliding doors. The additional ensuite guest room on the ground floor for this unit was turned into a work studio. Just tucked close to the entrance of this property, if business meetings or friends were to be invited over, there will be a sense of privacy in terms of how the placement of the guest room and the foyer is placed away from the general home annex. The Gamuda Cove development is one of the few upcoming townships that is mindfully master planned and designed with conscious effort to incorporate the biophilic design concept in developments to reflect natural surroundings, which helps to create a place that encourages people to explore the outdoors and take part in activities together with family and friends for a healthier lifestyle. The Waterlily estate encourages a strong connection between people and nature. The core characteristics of such designs would improve air ventilation and reduce the need for air conditioning units, while large windows that allow natural light to flood the room also offers a sweeping view of nature outside. For the surrounding, green spaces throughout the township helps lower the overall temperature in the township, especially with the creation of urban forests, pollinator gardens, and the 90 acres of Wetlands Arboretum. an ideal place for families and individuals who are looking for a well-rounded lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you're not subscribed to us yet, please click on that subscribe button and keep that notification buzzer on to be in the loop of more of our upcoming design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.